Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, we'll start with US market and geopolitical situations. Now, let's start with US market, or should we start with geopolitical situations? So, let's start with geopolitical. Now, if you look at Brent crude, right? Brent crude now is at $108 per barrel, and if you look at SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of staggering 200 points. So, what is the reason behind this? Well, yesterday, after the positive commentary came about from the Donald Trump that they have been postponed the Epic Fury mission that they have started. So, Epic Fury is basically nothing but the ships that are stuck in Strait of Hormuz. The US will make sure those ships will pass out safely. So this is just an Epic Fury, and they have postponed it. The reason why they have postponed it is because the talk with Iran is going very smoothly, and they are at the final stage for taking their decisions. But I have to warn you, there is no statement coming from Iran about these things. Only this is a one-sided statement from Mr. Trump. So I don't know this statement is true or not, but looking at the Brent crude, looking at the open interest of Brent crude, look at the futures of Brent crude, it is showing a healthy profit booking. Now see, the prices of Brent crude is not a big problem. See, it is a problem. $108, $112 per barrel, it is a problem. But the main problem is the flow of Brent crude. It is not that passing through Strait of Hormuz. That is the main problem. So because of which the countries will suffer, not only India, the whole country will suffer. Now we have discussed the geopolitical situations and everything. Let's jump into our numbers. So which is from Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P. So after all this positive commentary, the US market took the positive commentary very positively, and look at Dow Jones shot up close to 356 point. Nasdaq hit all-time high. S&P 500 hit all-time high. So very positive for US market. Now FIA, they have sold close to 3,600 crores in yesterday market alone, and DIA, they have bought close to 2,600 crores. Asian markets are all in positive. Nikkei is down, closed. China will open today. Rest all the Asian markets are positive. Now let's talk about our market. SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 200 points. Now let's talk to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday Nifty was very volatile, very once there was no direction in the market. It was just trading in sideways. Now the closing was 24,032, the support now 23,800, and the resistance now 24,300. Nifty is tightly sitting on a range of 23,800 to 24,300, and 24,300 to 23 800 to 23,900 is a very strong support for Nifty. You also observe, if you pay attention, that Nifty is taking a support from 23,900 and 23,800 very much, right? Whenever the market hit these levels, the Nifty shot up and try to break about day high. So these are the two range where you should think about accumulating, and 23,800, 23,900, and the risk to reward is also so favorable. Keep a stop loss below 23,800, just little below 23,800 on closing basis, then only we will exit long positions. So this is the view on Nifty. And Bank Nifty closing was around 54,547, the support now 54,000, and the resistance now 56,000. So this is the view on Bank Nifty. So Nifty, however, looks stronger, but today we'll be reacting to the numbers like L&T. L&T came out with numbers after the market, and net profit is up by 11.30%, and the revenue is down by 3.10%. So mixed results from L&T. Let's see how market will react. Now M&M came out with the results. It was during the market. The net profit was up by 29.10%, and the revenue is up by 41.60%. So good results from M&M. Auto stocks was in a good trajectory, and the positive sentiment was there in auto sector. Now today the Bajaj Auto results will be out from Nifty 50, so only one stock, but from FNO stock there are many. So from Nifty 50, only one stock, Bajaj Auto, will be coming out with results. So we have to watch it patiently and vigorously. So this is the market news. This is the pre-market analysis. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you have taken the notes. I hope I have added value into your life. Thank you for watching. I hope you have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and take care.